Ever wondered how Egyptian cuisine can serve up a wholesome, delicious meal that's also healthy for you? Today, we're delving into the heart of Egyptian culture with a classic dish known as full medames. This robust recipe comes from the head chef of the renowned London restaurant Ombra, and it's guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. Full medames is a delightful dish mashed into a chunky puree with fava beans at its core. It also incorporates garlic, lemon, and tahini for a unique flavor profile. The ingredients you'll need are a 400-gram can of fava beans or broad beans, a small onion finely chopped, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 100 milliliters of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 large ripe tomatoes roughly chopped, half a lemon juiced, and 2 tablespoons of tahini. Start by draining and rinsing your beans. Then fill the empty can with water and pour it into a saucepan with the beans. Warm these through by bringing them to a boil and then remove them from the heat. In a separate medium frying pan, gently fry the onion and garlic with all but a few tablespoons of the olive oil for 5 minutes. To this, add 2 teaspoons of sea salt flakes, cumin, chili flakes, and your roughly chopped tomatoes. Once your beans have been drained, make sure to reserve some of the cooking liquid. Add the beans to the onion mixture and let it all simmer together over a low heat for 30 minutes. Stir often and add some of the cooking liquid if it appears dry. Once your beans and onion mixture has simmered, use a potato masher to mash the beans with the remaining olive oil, lemon juice, and tahini. The final consistency should be a chunky, soft puree. If the mixture splits slightly, mix in a drop of cold water. To summarize, full medames is a traditional Egyptian dish made from fava beans, mashed into a chunky puree with garlic, lemon, and tahini. The process involves boiling the beans, frying the onion and garlic, combining the beans with the onion mixture, and finally mashing the beans into a puree. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that packs a punch of nutrition and flavor. So next time you're craving something hearty and healthy, why not give full medames a try? It's a culinary journey through Egypt, right there in your kitchen.